Hello guys! So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Formatter by Zapier, an essential tool for automating your workflows effectively. Whether you're new to Zapier or looking to explore its features further, this guide will help you grasp the basics of using the Formatter within Zapier. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to format and manipulate data in your Zaps to make your automation smarter and more efficient. Let's get started. Step 1. Getting started with Zapier. The first step is to head over to Zapier's main website. Zapier is an incredible platform designed to facilitate automation across various apps and workflows, significantly simplifying your tasks. Whether you are managing email marketing, customer support, or project management, Zapier helps you automate repetitive tasks, saving you a lot of time. Once you're on the website, you'll notice the login option at the top right-hand corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to set one up. But for this tutorial, we'll assume you already have one. Step 2. Logging in and accessing your Zaps. Logging in will take you to the Zapier homepage, where you can organize and manage your different automation projects, also known as Zaps. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look for the Zaps section. This is the hub of all your automation activities. Clicking on Zaps will take you to a list of your current Zaps, if you have any set up already. If you want to create a new Zap, you'll typically start here. Select one of your existing Zaps or choose to create a new one, and you'll be directed to the setup page where all the action happens. Step 3. Setting up your first Zap. Now the next thing you'll want to do is click on App, which is typically the first block of your Zap. This block allows you to choose the app where you want to either pull data from or send data to. Within this section, you will find various apps that you can integrate with your workflow. If you're setting this up from scratch, you'll be looking to click on Formatter. Step 4. What is Formatter and how does it work? Formatter by Zapier is a powerful tool that allows you to transform and format your data seamlessly as it moves through your workflows. Whether you need to modify the way data looks, extract specific information, or even do calculations, Formatter is a versatile tool that can handle all these tasks. Let's delve into that by clicking on Formatter. Conformer opens up various options, such as numbers, dates, and text, that you can manipulate according to your needs. Think of it as a versatile Swiss Army knife for your data. Conformer can reformat dates, extract text, and even perform simple math functions. This versatility is the reason Formatter is a go-to tool when creating Zaps that need some data customization. Step 5. Real-world use cases for Formatter. For example, if you're pulling a date in a specific format and need it in another format for your end app, Formatter can handle this with ease. Or if you're managing customer data and you need to extract part of an email or name from a larger string of text, Formatter can do that too. For those of you working with numbers, Formatter can help you perform calculations like adding or subtracting values automatically. Formatter also works well for cleaning up messy data. Let's say you receive a list of customer addresses that include extra spaces or unwanted characters. You can use Formatter to clean up that data before sending it to your CRM or email tool. Step 6. Exploring Formatter's features. Formatter offers 3 main operations that you can use. Numbers. It's great for performing calculations automatically within your workflows. Dates. You can change date formats, add or subtract time, or extract specific parts of a date like the day of the week or the month. Text. You can format text by extracting, splitting, and modifying strings. You can even perform simple text searches and replacements. Step 7. Experiment and fine-tune your Zaps. With Formatter, it's all about experimenting and finding the right fit for your specific needs. Try different combinations of actions to discover how Formatter can improve your workflow. Don't be afraid to experiment with the settings, as it allows you to customize your data to fit the exact format you require for your tools. By exploring different options, you'll be able to create smarter, more efficient Zaps that work precisely how you want them to. You can also keep refining your Zaps as your needs evolve, ensuring that your workflows are always as effective as possible. For more advanced users, Zapier allows you to use paths in your Zaps, which lets you create conditional workflows. For example, you could set up a path that checks if a date falls within a certain range and applies different formatting depending on that. This can make your automation much more sophisticated. allowing you to tailor your workflow to very specific conditions. Now you're ready to create smarter, more efficient Zaps that work precisely how you want them to. Formatter by Zapier is an incredibly versatile tool that can save you time and help you automate even the most complex data manipulations. So go ahead, explore, and don't be afraid to try different settings or combinations to see what suits your workflow best. Keep optimizing and automating, and you'll truly harness the power of Zapier to streamline your processes and boost productivity. I hope this video helps you get more comfortable with using Formatter in your Zaps. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy automating. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials.